Hi, my name is Saul Montoya from Hatari Labs. This time we are going to do a simple tutorial about how to scrap through our to a website and to get the latest post. What we are going to do here, we have a website and we want to get information of this, that is the latest post of the row. We can get the whole list of posts, but we want just the latest one. Okay, so in order to do this, we made a Jupyter notebook, but essentially what we have is what we have done is a Scrapy and Python Scrapy project. What does it mean? So we have we have done Scrapy crawl. Here we have Scrapy, so we have done this. That is a library of Python just to do web scraping, and we have installed this and we have set the spider. So this topic about the spider, the crawl and the spider, it was quite confusing for me at the beginning, but in short words, it's like you make a project and then you have these are the setup files. This, for the beginners aside, you don't need to get deep into this, but you have to define a spider. Here is where I can help you. In the spider, we have, this is the spider that we use. So we open it, and as you can see, okay, this hat crow, you define it on the other files. You will have the whole files on our GitHub repository. We define this as a project, and when we have the spider, hat spider, okay. I don't know why they get. Really, the Scrapy project is really powerful, but sometimes it's really complicated. I did this code maybe 4 months ago, and then I have forgotten how do I define this. But if you go through the files, you will find it quite often. Okay, so we define the spider. This spider it is called hat ultimo, and hat ultimo is, we have to define this because that's what we will call this. We will call the spider by its name, and this spider it will go just through this website, so it won't go further, and this one will start with this one. Since we want just the latest one, it will not go through any. It will start there and it will end there. Okay, so here we have we have a parse, a command that goes in through the document, on the HTML code, and in this time it just returns the first article. That's why these ones, since this is a feed of the latest articles, and if we get the first one, what we will get is the latest post. And from the latest post, it will get the title, the link, and the description. Okay, so how do we run it? Is here we have a Jupyter notebook that as well will be on the file, and then we uh, usually you type this on your shell, but we do it with OS. We run it from the notebook. That is much convenient. So here we say Scrapy crawl. This is the spider name, and we want the results as a JSON file. So we run this, and then we check if the JSON file is on our directory, and it's there. and then we open it to see what is on the, I mean, if we get the type. Okay, sorry, what had happened? Okay, stood me light. I have to this I the problem is that I have already launched this project, so, and this one my is not from the spider, it's actually from the that the command cannot open two JSON. I mean, like if I run it once and then run it once, I will have, I mean, it will join files, so I have to, I will update this with a command to just to every time that I do this, it will empty the file as well. Well, maybe you will find this on the GitHub repository. So if I run it, and then if I open it, it's there because the file was empty, and then I have already, I write just one time. Since the website is in Spanish, we have some issues with the Unicode and the accentuation. That's why we're seeing in this type. But if we open it, so if we open like in every part of the JSON, we see that it's exactly, so say este tutorial rápido para determinar la elevación, and then if we go to the blog, they say este tutorial rápido para determinar la elevación. So we can get the description, we can get the link, the URL, and we can get the title. Okay, so that was all for me for this quick tutorial. I hope that it was useful for you. The files are on the GitHub repository, that the link is on this video, and I hope that you can follow us by Facebook Hatari Labs and Twitter Hatari Labs, and if you like it, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you.